Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly change your mouse cursor on Windows 11. First, open Sweezy Cursors, a website that offers thousands of free static and animated cursors in CUR and ANI formats. Browse through the available collections, choose a cursor style you like, and click the download button for Windows. This will download a zip file containing your new cursor files. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file into a folder. After extracting, you'll see all the cursor files inside, and you can delete the zip file if you no longer need it. Now let's apply the custom cursor. Click the Start button on the taskbar and open Settings. In the sidebar, search for Mouse Settings, then select Additional Mouse Settings. A new window will appear. Go to the Pointers tab and select the Normal Select option. Click the Browse button, then navigate to the folder where you extracted your downloaded cursors from Sweezy Cursors. Choose the cursor file with the arrow icon and click Open. Repeat the same process for other cursor options, such as the link select pointer. Select the option, click Browse, and choose the hand cursor file. Once everything is set, click Apply and then OK. And that's it. Your Windows 11 cursor has now been customized with a brand new style. In this example, we added an animated arrow with a colorful rainbow outline. When you hover over clickable items, you'll also see a matching custom hand pointer with the same design. The cursor may look larger in this video just so you can see it clearly, but the actual size on your screen will remain normal. While exploring Sweezy Cursors, you'll find thousands of unique cursor packs organized into collections, new releases, popular designs, and different themes. New cursor packs are also added regularly. Thanks for watching. Don't settle for boring cursors, customize your Windows 11 experience with a style you like. The link is available in the description.